Hey everyone, welcome back to another tech video. In this video, I'm gonna show you that how you can fix the problem. Problem is that how you can delete the search history on TikTok. You face the problem, so just simply go to TikTok account after to make sure that your Wi-Fi connection. Also make sure that VPN is not connected. Just tap on TikTok and just go to settings and privacy, and simply scroll down and just go to activity center. Just tap on it, and see there is an option as search history here. You just simply tap on it and you see there is a history of search. You just search on TikTok just like that. I search a techno gamers, just like that technology, and just like that I search on TikTok to find out the videos that to do that. So I want to delete all the search history from here. Just select, tap on select and just select it and just delete it. And see in the left corner of down, select all history. Just tap on select all history. If you have a long history, just select all history and just delete it just like that. So your problem gonna fix. So that's the video. Make sure you like our video and subscribe our channel for more tech related videos.